Fine, I want a less.
Now you get a order. We going to arcade.
Grrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrr
Throw ball 2. Sorry. Come on. Throw ball 3. Yes. You know what? Screw this game. Uh-oh. It's a fire. I better get the heck out over here. What's that smell? Oh no. It's a fire. Let's get out.
Look. You misbehaved at Great Wolf Lodge.
You pushed me in the slide. You scared people in the wave pool.
You killed or injured someone in the park pool.
You set it arcade on fire and exploded.
Thanks a lot. You are grounded forever.